Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the checkout settings of your store and how to adjust the different options for when your customers are checking out. So we're starting off in the admin section of your Shopify store. So when you log into your admin section, you'll end up here on the Home tab, and you can just click the settings over here in the bottom left and click on Checkout. So Shopify gives you a lot of different options to customize your checkout. So Shopify doesn't really allow you to adjust the design of your checkout page unless you are a Shopify Plus enterprise level customer. But Shopify does give you some options to customize the checkout, and all of those options are available over here in the checkout tab. So we'll start from the top down. So first off, if you choose this customize checkout button, this lets you adjust certain parts of the style of the page. Doesn't really let you adjust the layout, but you can adjust certain things. So over here, we're going into the theme. It brings us into the theme customization. And if you click on the theme settings, usually somewhere around here, it'll say checkout. It's different depending on your theme. Every theme has different options, but most will have a tab that says checkout. And over here, you can add specifics when it comes to colors. You can add your logo. So if, let's say, we want to add a logo here, and we had our logo over here. Right now, we're just uploading a random image, but this could be your logo. You can choose the position of the logo, the size of the logo, the background colors, and just adjust certain parts of the design of the checkout. For now, we're going to just discard that because it's nothing we want to keep. But that's how you would customize the front end of the checkout. And then down here, you have specific checkout options. So you can choose whether or not you want to require both a phone number and an email when a customer checks out, or specifically an email address, so you can give someone the option. You can also choose whether or not you want to offer the Shop app. So the Shop app is a Shopify app on the mobile app store that customers can use to track their Shopify orders across multiple Shopify stores. So if someone has a tendency to shop on Shopify stores, they might have this app, and you're allowing customers to be able to track their orders from your store using this app. So that's what this option allows you to do. You can also make it a requirement for customers to have accounts and be logged in before they check out. So if you want to require login, you can choose this option. Now, continuing down, you can choose whether or not you want to require the customer to put in their first or last name, or just their last name during checkout. You can make the company name, the phone number, and the second line address. You can make them either optional, required, or just not include them at all. And down here, you have your marketing options. So when a customer is checking out, there will be a box for marketing options, and you can choose whether or not you want to allow customers to opt in for email or SMS marketing. And you can also have them pre-selected if you want to increase your chances of someone signing up for your marketing and opting in. You can also enable tipping at checkout. So in certain cases, if you want someone to offer a tip when they're checking out, you can add that here, and you can add presets for tipping. So either 10, 15, 20% of the order. These are preset, but you can set these numbers to whatever you would like them to be. And you can either have it show by default or have this section hidden unless the customer chooses that they want to tip. Now, for order processing, when the order is in the shipping and billing section, you can have the order shipping address set as the billing address by default, or you can have them separated by unchecking this. And you can also offer address autocomplete as a user is filling out their address. You can have it autocomplete with the rest of the address. Now, after an order has been paid, you have the option to automatically fulfill an order If you wanted to pretty much ship out automatically without you having to do anything, you can set that option over here and set specific rules for the automatic fulfillment, or you can have it set to not fulfill at all, and you would have to fulfill it manually, or you can have the automation automatically fulfill for gift cards. So if a person buys a gift card off your store, all they need is the gift card number, so you can have it automatically fulfill gift card orders and just handle that automatically. So after an order has been paid and fulfilled or refunded, you can have Shopify automatically archive the order. And you also have a section over here for abandoned checkout emails. So if a customer comes to your store, adds items to their cart, and then leaves before they finish checking out, Shopify can automatically send follow-up emails on your behalf. And here you're choosing whether or not you want to send out those emails. And if you do send them out, you can choose whether it's just to email subscribers on your site or if it's to everybody, and how soon after they leave the store are they getting the emails. Finally, down here you have the order status page. So when a user completes the checkout, you can add extra JavaScript to that page if for any special type of tracking or any third-party apps that need special scripts on the checkout page. You can add that here, and you can also adjust the checkout language. So if you want to adjust the way anything is specifically phrased on the checkout page, you can click Manage Checkout Language. It will take you here to the theme settings, and over here you have all the different sections of your checkout page. There is a lot of wording on the checkout page, and you can go ahead and adjust anything, any specific line individually. It shows you the default text as the placeholder text over here for that section, whichever section you're referring to, and you can go ahead and overwrite that default text with whatever you put in here. And that overall is the checkout section of your store and how to adjust the different parts of it.